Excuse me, did you just sneeze on my notebook?
Oh no! Did it actually land on your stuff?
Yes, it did. Look, the pages are wet.
I'm really sorry. I didn't realize it spread that far.
Okay, but you need to be more careful next time.
Absolutely. I should have turned away or covered my mouth properly.
Especially in a shared space like this.
You're right. That was careless of me.
Can you hand me a tissue so I can clean it?
Yes, of course. Here you go.
Thanks. I just don't like my things getting dirty.
I understand. I'd feel the same way.
It's also about hygiene, you know?
Definitely. I should have been more cautious.
It's okay. Thanks for apologizing.